All right, this tutorial is going to show you how to replace your really low quality webcam from your laptop and use your DSLR. So you can see I'm still talking to you live on this part of the screen, and this muted portion is your standard view. The overhead lights are on, you're looking straight to the camera. It's just the webcam from the computer. It's nothing special. It isn't that level of quality that people are hoping to expect from a coach and a professional like you. So you can really see the difference side by side. And so obviously what's great is that I can just change the camera angle at any point, right? I've got different scenes set up in my live video switcher that I can just jump to at any point in time. This system isn't complicated or expensive. I'll just go through a quick list of what you do need. I'm assuming you already have a DSLR and a tripod. You just need one light, and I'm not saying this needs to be an expensive light. This is a super cheap light, and the stand is connected to the desk. I have a mic. Obviously, you need a mic for any type of video. The Cam Link 4K is a piece of hardware that's $80 from Amazon. And you need a micro or a mini HDMI cable to go from your DSLR. That's $9. And just to be safe, I didn't run out of battery. I bought a dummy battery, which means my camera is continuously charged and I will never have to swap batteries. I bought one from Newer, which I like that brand. It was only $33. If you do go through the manufacturer, it's going to be at least double the price. And then you need two pieces of software. The OBS software, which controls everything, is free, and the Elgato Camera Hub, which just connects the two together, which is also free. So connecting the hardware, I'll actually show that to you in a different view. It's going to make it a little bit more clear. This is how everything is connected. The DSLR is here, which connects to the HDMI cable, and then that goes down and connects to the Cam Link 4K, and then that connects and converts into a USB-C port for my Mac. So that's it. It's very, very simple. And you could even do this as something cool. I could have the camera here looking at my computer screen, and so I could present my presentation from that view instead of sharing the actual screen and just get a little bit of the computer around it. That could give you more of a unique shot. I haven't really seen that too much, so that's something to consider for later. I'll see you in the next one.